Now we shall discuss about the classification of heat engines. So we know that already heat engine is a device which is used to convert the heat energy into mechanical energy. So basically a heat engine converts the fuel energy or the chemical energy into the heat energy first, and then it is converted into mechanical energy. Okay, now we shall classify these heat engines. So based on so let us take the heat engine first. So based on the place of combustion, that means the place where the combustion takes place, they are classified into two categories. The first one is IC engine. So this is internal combustion engine, and the next one is EC engine. Yes, so this is external combustion engine. Now both IC engines and EC engines can be classified into two categories. The first one is reciprocating engines. Reciprocating engines and rotary engines. Similarly, the same classification can be applied to EC engine also. So here reciprocating engine and rotary engine. So what is a reciprocating engine and what is a rotary engine? A reciprocating engine consists of reciprocating parts. Reciprocation means up and down, or left, right, like this. There is a component called as piston. Reciprocates either from top to bottom, bottom to top, or from right to left and left to right. So such engines are called as reciprocating engines. In case of rotary engines, there are no reciprocating parts. So there is a rotary element called as rotor or impeller, which rotates directly by using the heat energy. So that is called as rotary engine. Now let us see the example for this reciprocating engine in IC engines. So depending on the fuel used, the first one is petrol engine, in which the fuel is petrol, and diesel engine, in which the fuel is diesel, and gas engines, in which the fuel is gas. Either it may be liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG, or compressed natural gas, that is CNG. Okay, so these are the different types of reciprocating IC engines. Say these will come under internal combustion engine category. Similarly, rotary machines. So in case of rotary machines, there is only one category, that is gas turbine. There is only one turbine called as gas turbine. Basically, these turbines are called as rotary machines, which will gives us the mechanical energy at the expense of heat energy. See, this turbine consists of a rotor and some blades are mounted on it like this. Some blades are mounted on it, and now the combustion products are the combustion gases. Okay, so they are allowed to pass over this. See, these combustion gases are having high pressure. Okay, so these are combustion gases. So when they impinge the blades of the rotor with high speed, what happens to the rotor? Will it rotate or not? Definitely it will rotate. So here the combustion gases at high velocity are used to drive the rotor so that the mechanical energy is produced. So here also the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy, but Are there any reciprocating components here? No. Simply there is a rotor which is a rotary component. So that's why this is called as a rotary type of internal combustion engine. Similarly, in case of external combustion engine, the classification, there is only one type, that is steam engine. Just now we have seen. So steam engine uses steam to produce mechanical energy. So steam engine will come under reciprocating engine category because it also consists of a reciprocating piston. So this piston can be moved. See, it will be like this. See here, this is the piston. What happens is, we allow the steam to move into the chamber. So this is the chamber. Now the steam in this chamber will exert pressure on this so that the piston moves in this direction. So from left to right. If the cylinder is vertical, from top to bottom. And again, if you want to bring it back, the steam is allowed to enter from this side. Then say now at this position, the piston is at this position. Now if the steam entered in this way, will act some pressure on it so that it will move this side. Like this, by allowing the steam on both sides of the piston, you can achieve reciprocating motion in case of external combustion engines. Okay, so this is a steam engine. So here the combustion takes place at some other place than inside the engine. So it is taking place outside the engine. And then rotary engine. For this, the example is steam turbines. So this is also a turbine. So just like here also you will have a rotor with blades. So instead of the combustion gases, here we allow the steam to impinge on it. So here the steam strikes the blades so that the rotor rotates. So the difference is, here this is the steam and here this is the combustion gases. That is the only difference. The combustion gases are used to drive the rotor, that is called as gas turbine. The steam is used to drive the rotor, that is called as steam turbine. So this is basically the classification of heat engines. Okay. In the next topic, we are going to discuss about the classification of IC engines in detail. Okay.